It's February 5th, 2016, Friday, day of non-farm payroll. It's about 5 to 9 London time, PM. So 5 to 4 New York time. About 5 minutes to the close of the stock exchange in New York, or the markets in general. Non-farm payroll came out around 150,000. It was expected around 190,000. Some banks were expecting even above 200, and there were revisions down from the previous months. So not a good number. The unemployment rate was 4.9. That dropped, but for the first time, below 5% for many years. But I think it's totally irrelevant because the pool of people that are looking for work is shrinking because most people have given up, so it's a bogus number. I'm sure politicians will say, "Oh, great, 4.9%, economy is doing great," but it's not. As I speak here, we got 5 minutes to the close. Dow down 272. The reason I'm making this video is that gold is up very nicely right now. It's been rallying back from the lows of 1145. Initially, right after the non-farm came out, gold went up to 1163, made a new high, and then the usual suspects came in and dumped the market, and we dropped almost $20 to 1145. But very, very good move here on a Friday afternoon after non-farm. We're right near the highs of 1174. Silver has just broken through 15. Silver was lagging behind, but now it's caught up. It was stuck between 1470 and 1480 most of the day. But the late rally in gold is pretty impressive. Gold is doing well as well in British pounds, sorry. It's at 809, so 800 was a key level, but we've blown right through that level. The next important level for all the people living in the UK and people who depend on the pound is 863. That was, I think, the high last year, so that's a level to keep an eye on. The British pound has turned around this week, even though it strengthened a lot after the I think it was the Dudley comments, and then the Bank of England came out and said they're only going to raise rates in 2018. So the pound is dropped back from like 146.70, the high, and now it's back down to 145. So yeah, I think pound is going to stay under pressure. There's a lot of talk as well that Britain is going to vote to exit the EU, and the no vote is very high now in the polls. What else? So the Dow is down 250. The banks, not doing great. The XLF ETF is down 1.5% at just below 21. What else is there to say? No, nothing. I just think it's very interesting that gold is doing so well on a Friday afternoon after non-farm. Looks to me that the next target is going to be 1191, but there's also that 1200 level. 1191.80 was the recent high last year. So yeah, should be strong resistance there. And take care. Have a good weekend, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.